Hi, I'm Andy Hoffman. I'm the crime reporter for the Hawkeye. Today we're discussing an incident that occurred in Chicago yesterday morning about 6 a.m. in which a man by the name of Arthur A.J. and or Lil Mo Smith, 38, was found shot to death on the far south side, shot in the head with a single gunshot wound. People in Burlington might know Arthur Smith as Lil Mo. He was a notorious South Hill resident who was involved in several skirmishes with the law and with other neighborhood residents in the last year. Specifically, he was involved in a gun battle in the 400 block of South Central Street last May, in which him and another man, Timothy Chu, got into a gun battle. Smith was the only one injured. He suffered a gunshot wound to the graze wound to the head. Mr. Chu was sentenced to 7 years in prison for going armed with intent and assault with the intent to injure. He was originally charged with attempted murder, but that charge, the jury found him not guilty of that charge. Mr. Smith has been tied to several other crimes in the Burlington area. One victim, DeMarcus Chu's mother, Cassandra Taylor, accused Little Mo of being involved in her son's death. Lieutenant Greg Gallen, the Burlington Police Department commander of the Investigation Division, never specifically named Smith as a suspect in that case, and the murder remains under investigation. Mr. Smith moved to Burlington in 2009 after he was released from prison where he served time on an unrelated weapons charge. He told people at the time he had moved to Burlington to escape the violence in Chicago. However, talking to police officers and people that knew Mr. Smith, people that lived near him, he brought some of that violence to Burlington. Whether he is involved in the death of Marcus Chu remains to be seen. Follow the Hawkeye for future updates on the investigation into DeMarcus Chu's death.